Dear friends, as we all know, our world is changing. A demographic transformation is taking place across the globe. People are living longer, retiring later, and encountering new challenges in pursuit of a dignified life. Older persons, as a group, are a rapidly growing sector of our societies, north and south. Our human rights norms, strategies, and mechanisms must keep pace and adjust with equal dynamism to these changing realities. After all, the modern human rights movement was founded to foster societies that could guarantee freedom from fear and want. And the principle of universality means that in this endeavor, no one must be left behind. And yet, today, older persons are all too often subjected to discrimination, deprivation, exclusion, and abuse. There is still no explicit general prohibition of age discrimination in international human rights law, and no dedicated international protection regime for the human rights of older persons. Standards at the national level are often weak or absent altogether, not least as they relate to autonomy, an adequate standard of living, participation, and freedom from violence, abuse, or neglect. So much remains to be done. A dedicated protection regime at the international level would have the greatest reach and prominence and provide coherence to an otherwise fragmented, uneven, and incomplete landscape of legal norms. Standards related to the human rights of older persons need to be developed within a comprehensive framework recognizing the indivisible, interdependent, and interrelated nature of the rights it seeks to protect. And adequate monitoring mechanisms must be in place to ensure the implementation of measures to protect, respect, and fulfill the human rights of older persons. In this urgent quest, the role you play as civil society organizations is crucial. Prior standard-setting exercises, including the adoption of dedicated instruments on the human rights of women, children, persons with disabilities, and the indigenous peoples, were successful largely because of the strong engagement and principled demands of civil society, including voices from among the affected groups themselves. I therefore welcome this timely conference organized by HelpAge and hope it will yield a strong vision, plan, and platform of advocacy for better protection of the human rights of older persons. My office is eager to support your efforts, and I wish you a fruitful discussion. Thank you.